Hi, my name is Jill Yesko, and I'm the president of Discover Organizing. We are located in Pennsylvania in the United States. We've been in business since 2003, and we help people organize their homes and offices, their photos, and we help seniors to declutter, downsize, and transition. Sometimes as a business owner, I feel like I am the queen of everything. There's a lot going on. I feel overwhelmed. I sometimes don't know what the next step should be, and I feel like there's a lot on my plate, and sometimes I feel like the chief cook and bottle washer. There are so many different roles that we have to fulfill as business owners. So I'm inviting you to take a step back with me and do three things. One, let's really analyze what a vision and set that clear vision of what an organizing firm and company should look like to you before you grow even further. This is important. The second thing we're going to do is analyze your marketplace. No matter where you are in the world, you have a marketplace and it needs to be studied. The third thing we're going to do is maybe look at your resources and find out what you have in terms of your human resources and your technological resources that can help you grow and diversify your business to constantly give you income streams that are year-round, not just at certain seasons. So my presentation style is engaging. There's lots of slides, but not a lot of words. I have a lot of fun with you, and I make sure you leave with actionable steps. Another fun thing I guess I'm supposed to say about myself is that I am a surfer, and I just started surfing late in life, only 5 years ago. I will not be bringing my surfboard across your ocean to see you, but I will be bringing my ideas and my ears so I can listen to all of your ideas. I'm going to keep an open mind, and I can't wait to meet you all.